In a community surrounded by waterways, water becomes the main connection between the people who live there. In the Bayou region, people use these waterways as a main source of transportation, no matter where the destination. Sometimes, especially in South Louisiana, that destination is a bar. Locals have established an entire neighborhood and community based on these connecting waterways. They have built homes and private docks on the banks of the bayou for easy transportation routes to some unique places. Boat bar hopping has become a regular hobby for the people who inhabit the bayou region. People come from across South Louisiana to launch their boats or jet skis, hop in the bayou, and travel to their favorite local watering hole. They can meet up with friends, catch the game, have a drink, and enjoy some famous Cajun cooking. Doesn't seem so bad to live on the bayou.